Hi, my name is Chris and I'm here with PigTek today to talk about SwingFix. SwingFix is a loose housing solution for free access type gestation barns. The SwingFix door is a retrofittable option for your existing crates, but it's also an option to purchase new crates and then also add on to the back of them. With the SwingFix design, it's a saloon door on the back side, and what it allows is it allows the sows to go in, to eat freely, and then at their convenience to come back out without allowing the sows in the common area to go back in. The way the door works, when it's in normal operating procedure, up and down, the door will go in, the sow walks in with the door swings back, and then the pendulum falls and it locks the door from the outside. So now a sow from the outside cannot get in here to bother the sow that's in there. At any point in time, the sow that's inside, she can back up, and when she backs up, the door will then relatch, allowing the next sow to come in. So now we have another sow that comes in. When she goes in, the door unlocks, and now the pendulum falls, and now we're back to locked from the outside, sow protected on the inside. There's three types of operation. The first one we just saw, that's the standard operating mode where the door swings in, then the door swings back, locks from the outside. The next operation allows us to lock up to 15 to 20 of these all at the same time. So when the sows go in for the first time to eat, then when she goes in, the door is going to come back and it's going to lock. So an example of this would be sow comes in, hits the stop, goes back, pendulum falls, now the door is locked both ways. So now the sow's locked in there, and now you can service the sow, or you can do any kind of work you need to do with the sows in the pens. The other operation is quite simple. It's just the door swings freely all the way open. So in this situation, you can have the sows in the group together, and if they're good genetics and you don't mind them going in and out, then you can leave the door unlocked. If you have a sow inside, and let's say you want to work on an animal, you see an animal in there, she's eating, something's not quite right, or you want to do something with the animal. The nice thing about this system is, instead of using the lock function to lock all 15 at once, you can just come up here, unclip the pin, come down, bring it here, and now the pen's locked. This one's locked, but this one still moves freely open. These doors come in multiple options. As you can see here, this is what we call an insemination door, and this is what we call a standard door. The difference between the two is the insemination door allows you to get in and service the animal. The way we do that is, you'd lock her in the pen, so you'd have the pendulum down, locked her in. You can pull this tab up and then open the door, here, the top door, and now you can get in to service the animal or do any kind of work you need to do from behind. And then when you're done, you take it, drop it down, ensure this tab is down. This tab prevents the sows from lifting this door up from the outside and carrying it away. We also offer two types of options. We offer a painted option, as you see here, in red paint, but we also offer a galvanized version, hot dip. Depending upon your type of crate and what kind of opening you have, we have options to allow that close the area up. So if this was a wider crate, we would put a bar welded to the back of this piece, and it would close the area off, which would then prevent two sows from going in at the same time. We offer different mounting options. These mounting options are depending upon what type of crate you have. If you have a really sturdy crate, then you can just take these bolts and bolt it right to the back of your crate. If you have a crate that has maybe a little less steel in it, then what we offer is we offer a leg that bolts into this tube and goes straight down to the slat. And when it goes to the slat, then you can then anchor it to the slat with slat anchors. Those anchor feet are stainless, and all the hardware you see on this product are stainless. The hinge pin is stainless to prevent from rusting out and failure. When you order the product and it shows up at your farm, it comes pre-assembled. All you have to do is put in these bolts here to attach it to the back of your crate. Then all you have to do is install your vertical poles and then your top pole, along with your handle. Compared to other options on the market, this option is low maintenance. And as you'll notice, there's really only three moving parts. There's this pin here, and then the door hinge. And that's it. On the insemination model, you have one more option to move the door. To learn more about PigTek's SwingFix free access door, contact your PigTek dealer.